A camera company sells two types of point-and-shoot cameras. Model A costs $150 and Model B costs $225. If the company sold 22 cameras for a total of $3,900, how many of each model were sold? Okay, so we have Model A, Model B. Our very first equation is going to talk about the number of cameras sold. So I'm going to say X plus Y equals 22. Our second equation talks about the amount of money. So Model A is 150, so 150X plus 225Y equals 3,900. I'm going to rewrite these in Y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And I'm going to say y equals negative x plus 22. On this side, I'm going to subtract 150x from both sides. And I'm going to be left with 225y equals negative 150x plus 3,900. I'm going to divide by 225. And I'm going to get y equals, now, negative 150 divided by 225 is negative 2/3. So y equals negative 2/3 x plus, and then 3,900 divided by 225 is 17 1/3. Okay. They are both equal to y, if you notice. Y equals, so I can set them equal to each other. So I can say, when does negative x plus 22 equal negative 2/3 x plus 17 1/3? I'm going to add x to both sides, and I'm going to subtract 17 1/3 from both sides. And I'm going to be left with, let's see, I'm going to be left with 1/3 x equals 4 2/3. Divide both sides by 1/3. And we're going to get x equals 14. If x equals 14 and x plus y equals 22, that means y equals 8. We're going to prove that we are correct by taking these two numbers and plugging them back in to see if it equals $3,900. So, is 150 times 14 plus 225 times 8 equal to 3,900. If it is, then we know our answers are correct. So 150 times 14 is 2,100. And 225 times 8 is 1,800. And if you add that together, you do get 3,900. So we know our answers are good. So that means that they sold 14 Model A and 8 Model B.